THAIFEX HoReCa is very important for us because it's a very specific exhibition only for equipment. For us, it's very important.
One thing that we can see we help in the food industry and the food innovation, food trend that comes around in the industry.
Group of Kimberley is excited to participate in HOREC Asia because it's a new format of trade show which we expect will bring new customers.
The fact that this is the very first trade show specifically for HoReCa industries, I think that is a very exciting for players such as ourselves.
This is the first time that we join this event because finally we have good solution for the HoReCa industry.
This is a very exciting opportunity where we will have all the players, buyers, vendors who are partners with the HoReCa industries.
I'm most excited to see all the evolution and all the new things that can bring to the event.
THAIFEX HOREC, which focuses on hospitality, and that is something that in line to what our company is.
Very optimistic that this exhibition will be a good jump start for us into this new era.
We will expect to see the truly valued customers.
The customer base coming to HoReCa will be more of a direct route from manufacturer direct to the customer.
I think that the organizer have the power to bring to us the most important customer, specifically interested in our machines.
It's very exciting and we are looking forward
To see everyone at THAIFEX.
HOREC next year.
2024.
2024.
2024. See you there.